I'm Tom from DIY Life Tech, and this is a quick tip for how to prepare a pomegranate. So first we cut it in half like this, and then we put the two halves in a container of water. Okay, start with the first half. This is mostly covered by the water. Now we're just going to crack it open underwater and take out the arils. And you can see you can just do this with your fingers and just pull them out of the pith here. And we just kind of break up these little clusters, break this apart, and the really awesome thing is that the arils sink to the bottom and the pith floats to the top. So if you've got enough water, you can just really easily break these up. And because it's all underwater, you're not getting splattered with this pomegranate juice that tends to stain. So we're just gonna literally do this, and it's even easier if you do it with two hands. I'm holding the camera with the other. Break this apart until all of these arils are out. Okay, here's what we get at the end of that process. We're gonna take the big chunks of pith out. You can compost these. Just scoop out as much of these big chunks as you can. You can see those arils are nicely at the bottom. Now we're just going to pour off the water on top that has that pith. Do this slowly. Try to keep as many of the arils as possible in the bowl. Now the final step, throw the rest into a colander. You can look through here, see if there's any little bits of pith that stayed in. But fundamentally, there's a bunch of arils in there. That's half a pomegranate's worth that are all ready to go, ready to eat. And that pith is out. Everything is clean and super easy. Pick that one little extra bit off that's stuck in. Almost none left. So that's the quick, simple way to prepare a pomegranate. Just repeat with the other half and you are good to go.